Everybody, let's go. La 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 la. Can I?
I have to start another book. I have 2 more to read, so I have to start. Okay. Start one of them.
We just dump some out. Like a little bit.
No, let's start writing them. I say I'm printing off articles because
No,
then
you
when I
want
come to
some?
Canada,
Let's trade.
I can read the articles and highlight what's
So-
important. Yeah. So can
We
you
just dump some out. Oh yeah, that. Are you gonna put some in down? No.
And Jill, after you take the pictures, can you send them to me? Sure.
And ask me to close it. Because I know how to close it. Wow, this cake looks beautiful. Yeah,
That's
this
so
time,
nice.
don't like take a picture until the candles are, okay? And don't take the picture that was out them.
That's a lot of sprinkles. You want to save some sprinkles for next time, too?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay. We're going to save those ones that you have, Becca, for Easter. Remember the Easter bread?
What about God's birthday? We celebrate that too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we forgot that. Love and love and love and love. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a happy birthday.
Can you make something? Can you make a show or something?
Okay. Say, la 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 la. Say, la 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 la. My mom likes say.
Salsa.